Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can edit a photo using the CapCut AI product photo feature. So here I've already on the CapCut apps, and if you see at the top there is a product photos options here at the top. Click on that and then you can just select your product photo like this and click on add. So in here you can choose the background for your product. You can choose from studio, solid color, countertop, outdoor, interior, flower, and other. So you can just choose which one. I'm going to use the flower one. Then I'm going to select, for example, okay, this one right here, the rose background. So just wait for it to load to be applied to your photo product. Okay, now it will become like this. And here, if you want to edit more, you can just click at the top here, edit more. You can add tags. You can also adjust the size. You can add or change the background, or you can also add stickers. But if you like with the current result, you can just click on export and your photo product will be exported. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.